Alright, in this episode we're going to be painting the 2002, which is super exciting. So today we're going to bring the car over to the paint booth, mask it up, get it all clean and ready for paint, and then tomorrow morning we will spray the car. So this is going to be a really good episode. Stick around, let's get to it. Alright, you guys just watched a whole bunch of time lapses, but really this took us about 6 hours. It's just a terrible process, but the car is masked, it's clean, it's ready for paint, so tomorrow morning we can just show up, give it one final clean for good luck, and then spray it.
And we probably could have done it a bit faster, it's just we wanted to take our time and make sure everything was really good, all the tape was nice and secure, and just double check everything because there's nothing worse than having to do it twice. So we'll be back here tomorrow morning.
Let's do it. Okay, so now that the car is all masked up, we're gonna start by giving it a really good wash. We're gonna blow off any dust and then give it a really good wipe down, and then we can jump right into spraying. So we're gonna start with our seal coat, which is essentially just a thin down primer. It'll give it a really consistent gray finish, and it's a really good spot to start for laying our base. Now for our base, we're gonna be spraying Inca Orange, and with any orange, it's gonna take quite a few coats to get really good coverage on the car, so we're probably gonna end up doing around 5 coats of base. After that, we can lay down our clear, and we'll probably do 3 coats of clear. I'm really excited to see this thing all painted up. Let's get to it. Seal coat done?
Yeah, 2 coats.
You warm?
It's so warm. We got the base on, so now it's time to do clear.
the car is all done for tonight, and my God, does it look shiny. Look at this roof right here. Look at that shine. Look at Clayton's face. Oh, whoa, amazing. Clayton, congrats. This is your first ever complete spray of a car.
Yes, thank you.
And you did pretty damn good.
Yeah, it could be a little bit better, but I mean, all in all, it's turned out just good. The clear on the last coat, I got a little bit too confident, so there's like 2 little runs that I need to take care of, but that's no big problem. So it's definitely super wet right now, so we're gonna let it cure overnight, come back tomorrow, unmask the car, bring it back to the shop, and then in a couple days, once it's had a chance to cure a bit more, then we'll slap the hood back on. But yeah, congratulations on your new construction cone.
Thank you, yes. I'm loving the color. It's very happy, very suiting for the cute little car it is. But we'll see you guys tomorrow, and we will get this thing out of here. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited this thing is finally painted. It's been a really long time coming. So we're gonna let the car sit for a couple days, and then we will address some of the runs in the clear. And then after that, we can really just start reassembling. So I've got the back bumper, tail lights, the chrome trim, badges. We'll throw on the hood and throw the badge on that guy. And then I've got the rear glass, front glass. I've got a new headliner for the car that we'll throw in. The interior is all done, as you guys have probably seen in one of the last episodes. So yeah, that's probably what the next episode will be, just a whole bunch of reassembly on the car, which is really exciting. We can finally get this thing out on the road and start seeing how it drives. I mean, we did drive it from the paint booth over here, and it drove pretty good. It was like just a weird little go-kart, but I think that's just kind of how the cars are supposed to feel. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
All right, we have some really big news for you guys today. We are finally in the merch game. Woo! Okay, you guys have been asking for a while, so we went and updated our website at slightlyMADcustoms.com, and we went and bought a bunch of holy high quality t-shirts, and we're hand printing them ourselves. We've been testing them, wearing them. They're awesome. Everyone is done by us in our basement, so you have the guarantee that any merch that you buy has been fondled by us in our basement. What a promise. Also, we have a whole bunch of new decals on the website, and we're doing handwritten letters. What's a handwritten letter? Well, I hope you know what a handwritten letter is. But what are our handwritten letters? Well, you get to pick if you want a love letter, a hate letter, or an informative letter. And for 10 whole bucks, you get to do up to 100 characters of what you want our letter to be about. And then Lucas and I are just gonna give it our all, and we're gonna do the best goddamn letter you've ever purchased for 10 bucks in your life. So I highly recommend you buy one of those. It's gonna change your life, and I just really wanna write one. So first person who gets one gets it from me. Yeah, so anyways, thanks for making it this far in the video. Thanks for listening to my rant about merch, and thanks for being here. We love you guys. So we'll see you next Thursday for our next video, because that's when we post videos, on Thursdays. God, you should know that by now.